So the cost of refrigeration, they're running 24/7. So freezer work is constant throughout the day. As the day heats up, there's more traffic movements, more door openings, and that costs us more for the refrigeration and freezers to run. And we're fairly energy hungry in the sense that we are on a large power consumption site, so our energy supplier considers us as a large contract, which we can negotiate marginally, but we have been moving towards more daytime activities, so solar has presented itself as a viable option for us. We've moved to LED lights throughout the whole premises here. We've got scroll compressors and things like that on our freezer side and refrigeration. That is the most effective and most affordable, but yeah, they predominantly cost a lot of money to run, yes. Well, the use of solar, it's developing and it's growing. You have to look at the ability for it to suit the needs of when you're using power. You need to ensure that you're going to get a return out of the product, otherwise it's not going to be feasible. But I think that at the end of the day, more businesses can look at solar now. The costs are still coming down. The government subsidies are reducing, but I think the cost of the panels and the installation side of things have really decreased over this period of time. I just think it assists with your carbon footprint and the overall business community. Our staff embrace it, and our staff are actually pleased with that we are going in the front foot and actually trying to work towards something that is beneficial to everyone. We have to use power. We have to generate power for us as a business to grow. It's a necessary evil, but at the end of the day, we can use this benefit to promote our business, but also we can generate power on site at our own control.